Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephen Lu from Wiwyn. Today, I would like to discuss with you our investment and plan on the edge computing, and also touch base on the rack level cooling solution that we are still in investing right now. Okay, so first, I will discuss with you our product portfolio from hyperscale to the edge. And next is the one of our edge server lines. So we bring two server lines to the edge. The first one is the compliant to the open edge that Nokia might more also discuss in the morning keynote speech. And the second product line that we bring to for the edge is the SP302 series. It has a higher computing power than the open edge because we know there are different user cases, so customer will require different system portfolios. And third, I just mentioned that we're touch base on the rack level thermal solutions. Okay, so first, as you know, Wiwyn has been in the hyperscale data center market for around 10 years. So we accumulate lots of knowledge and experience from the hyperscale design, and we like to extend it from our current product lines and the experience to the edge. So we bring two new lines to this for the edge. Okay, so why edge? I think everyone talking about the edge. What we see that the IoT, lots of devices enabled by the 5G technology, and also in the meantime there's AI inferencing. From the AI is more mature right now than before. So coupling the 5G technology and the user case of the AI, so we do believe there will be a new demand from the edge. We do believe the edge and the hyperscale will be complementary to each other, not to replace. Edge will not replace hyperscale. There will be different workloads. From our human industry, from humans industry technology advancement, we see every time there's new technology, and people will find any way to consume the bandwidth, consume the power, the computing power. So we do believe with the new technology, new demand, there will be tremendous opportunity in the edge. Okay. So, and also the edge, the 5G bring the low latency, and also resolve the high bandwidth requirement at the edge. If all the you consider all these, if there's streaming game, all the streaming game bandwidth goes to the hyperscale data center. There's the hyperscale data cannot support it. So there are currently there are few user cases that have to be supported by edge. For like example, there are I saw application that's for the airport. They design a system to prevent the drone from impacting the security of the airport. That will be a very good user cases of the edge computing. Because the delays really hurt. Okay, so from 150 microsecond, and we can reduce it to 15 microseconds, and for some very critical application, it is important. Okay, and we just mentioned the AI. So Wiwyn also apply all the AI solution from the hyperscale to the edge. Yeah, I think we saw the chance that the opportunity of the AI from hyperscale to the data center, and we also believe there will be different technologies for different applications. So there we see the trend in the industry that customers and the partner are developing AI specific hardware like OEM, and this OEM in the morning that keynote section, and also in the inference there are many silicon suppliers. They are developing the ASIC, FPGA and ASIC that is specific target to the AI inference. I think because in the edge, especially in the edge, the power consumption, the air cooling, the space is limited compared to the hyperscale data center. So the application-specific ASIC will be more required than the hyperscale. Okay, and so for the edge, I think everyone you see every company has an edge solution. So, but everyone talking about different edge. So, what Wiwyn's edge? Because here, so Wiwyn's edge is not on this the on-premise solution. We are more focused from hyperscale, regional to the tower. There's already a very large scope. So there will be, as I just mentioned earlier, we have two product lines we bring to the edge solution. So the first is EP100 is open edge compliant. It's more focused on this the user case, and the SV302 will be more focused on this edge, these two edge, and of course there are customers they would like to. Oops, sorry. Let me see. One more back. Yep. For some of our customers, they would like to leverage what already deployed in hyperscale to these user cases. That's also doable because everyone's infrastructure is different. So some has high-rise floor, some doesn't, and some have higher power to each rack. So depends on the customer's infrastructure. We can support the hyperscale data center gear or the new product line that we developed for the solution. So then next we'll show a video of the open edge product that we developed.
Wiwynn EP100 is the optimal 3U flexible edge platform for telco RAN and edge computing. It retrofits directly to existing telco racks with a clear rear design to fit into back closed racks in some special locations with limited room space. EP100 has front access and serviceable network and management cables, power cords, swappable RMC, and motherboard sleds. PSUs support both ACN and DCN, saving costs on maintenance services and logistics. Its flexible sled design supports various application workloads and is easy to reconfigure for different SKUs. Each sled also offers options for Intel AEP, M.2 carrier, full height half-length PCIe 3.0, OCP 3.0 mezzanine for different 5G, edge computing, and AI inference applications. The platform also offers out-of-band centralized management, while OpenRMC design can be developed for legacy management topologies. RMC supports the cascade feature to enable active chain management for special environment at remote sites. Wiwynn EP100 is the optimal 3U flexible edge platform for telco RAN and edge computing.
Wiwynn, your best choice for workload optimization and TCO.
Okay, so the Wiwynn EP100 is compliant to OpenEdge, and we support OpenBMC. Okay, so OCP is open, so open hardware and open software. And we would like to expedite the ecosystem for the OpenEdge. And so we provide the hardware development kit to all partners. So it's an audible part number available. So we welcome our partners, or if you like to do some developing job on this OpenEdge, you're welcome to contact us. Okay, and next is the our next product line is a dual socket system. For the previous OpenEdge is single socket. It's socketable, so you can change the processor SKU. So from entry to higher performance. But if you're not satisfied with single socket, we have dual socket. Okay, so this is it looks like it's a 1U design and 2 node. Each node is dual socket, and there's 4 memory members of this family. So I'll show you later in the video. And so there's a as mentioned, there are 4 members. So it's it optimized for compute, storage, or AI inference, or enhanced I/O. And because it's for the edge, designed for edge, so the serviceability is important for this family. So for the slate, the power supply, and fan are all hard pluggable, and all the I/O and the networking are all front accessible. Okay, I'll show you the video.
Wiwynn. SV302G3 is a 1U 2-node dual socket compute server with a high memory capacity for compute-intensive applications. The latest Intel Xeon processor supports innovative services by boosting performance, handling more data, and managing greater VM densities. Because data center infrastructure needs to be built to scale, SV302G3 features flexible options for extreme scaled I/O performance, or reserved expandability for scaling out storage and unified networking with greater speed and bandwidth. Optimizing power consumption and serviceability at the server, rack, row, and data center levels. Front-axis multi-node design is changing the way forward for 19-inch infrastructure. SV302G3 is your best choice for computing-intensive and I/O performance-driven applications. To learn more, visit wiwynn.com.
Okay. So this is a highly modular system. So right now it's 4 members in the family. So it's, this is for optimized for AI inference. This dual node for enhanced I/O networking, more networking, and for compute, a dual node, and there's another SKU for storage. And over time, we will expand the family of the family member to this family. Okay, and I would like to touch base on the rack level cooling. Okay, so as the ASIC power is growing very fast, and so we have solution from traditional heatsink, and right now we are looking at the rack level thermal solution. So Wiwyn has invested on this rack level solution, thermal solution, for more than 4 years, and so we are working, looking at the immersion cooling and rack level liquid cooling, and to show you one of our current research with a video.
Wiwyn. Wiwyn, your best choice for workload optimization and TCO.
Okay, so like the immersion cooling, actually, there's lots of experience that we learned during the 4 years. Just an example, like for the management monitoring, what to monitor, what to management, and how to manage it. So it takes a lot of effort. It's very different from traditional air cooled. So everything when you have the system in the liquid, so and there are many parameters inside a tank. So what are the parameters that we need to monitor, and how to monitor it. And it really takes us time, and also like we are using the two-phase immersion cooling. So how we control the evaporation, because it costs a lot. So when you do a service, we have to reduce the evaporation. So that's and we are very proud of our technology. So we have a real POC in data center with a customer. I cannot name this customer. Early next year. So it takes us more than 4 years to go to the real field trial, and I think we are really proud of it. So the last page. Welcome to our booth, and we have bring all the products that we just show you, except the cooling tank is too huge, and we cannot move it here. Okay, any questions? Okay, then thank you.